Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Google account credentials and enabling two-step verification so you won't get locked out. Next, open Safari and sign in to Play. Google.com with the same account, make sure cookies are allowed. You'll also prepare a payment method in Google Payments, add a card, or link Google Pay, because some Play purchases require a billing option. Once done, keep your iPhone nearby and allow any verification prompts. This gets the connection ready for app access and purchases. Now sign into your Google account in the iPhone browser and complete two-step verification. Use a backup code if push fails. Once signed in, install or open an iOS app that supports Google Sign-In and choose Sign In with Google. This links that app to your Play-associated account. Make sure to grant permission for sync, contacts, calendar, and purchase history, so your data flows correctly. If an app requires restoring purchases, choose Restore Purchases, and follow the on-screen prompts to verify. Finish by opening each linked app and checking settings to confirm your Google account appears, then restore purchases if applicable. If you can't access purchased content, make sure the payment method is valid, check your Google Play country and purchase history, and reauthorize the device by signing out and back in. If problems persist, use account recovery or contact Google support. Often reissuing a verification code or updating billing resolves it. One tip, clear browser cache and retry sign-in if tokens seem stale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.